we're gonna go over the homework today, which you should have had done. It's Percents Homework 1, Review of Proportions. All right, so I'm gonna read number 1, I'm gonna read the question, and then we are going to fill it in together. The scale on the map is 2 centimeters, is equal to 15 miles. Dave measures the distance to the next town at 7 centimeters. How many miles away is the next town? All right, so the first thing that we need to do is write down centimeters and miles, okay? Centimeters and miles. But actually, since the question read, I don't know if you guys caught this, 2 centimeters is equal to 15 miles. We're going to actually write centimeters, cm, is equal to m. So this will give us a clue on how to set up our proportion. So the first number was 2 centimeters is equal to, and draw your bar, is equal to 15 miles. Draw your bar. Dave measures the distance to the next town at 7 centimeters. How many miles away is the next town? So he measures the next town at 7 centimeters, and we don't know how far away the next town is. So now what we're going to have to do is your guys' favorite, cross multiply. We take the two numbers, boom, boom, the two numbers that are across from each other, and we're going to cross multiply. So 15 times 7, 35, 7, 8, 9, 10, 105. Is that right? 7 times 5 is 35, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Is 105. I'm just going to double check that because my answer key says something else. 15 times 7 is 105, and then we're going to divide it by 2. Okay. Oh, okay. See, sometimes late at night I get a little confused. This is an odd number. Duh. So we have 105. Now we have to divide it by 2. 2 goes into 10 5 times. Bring down your 5. 2 goes into 5. How many times? 2 times. Put your decimal point up because 2 cannot go into 1. Bring down the 0. 2 goes into 10 5 times. So our answer is x equals 52.5. Okay? All right, I'm gonna erase this. This is what your answer should look like. So I'm gonna erase it and I'll come right back. All right, clean board. Number 2, for all you football fans, an NFL team kicker misses 2 out of every 11 field goals. If he misses 8 field goals throughout the season, how many did he attempt? That means how many field goals did he kick throughout that whole season, right? So our first number, well, first of all, what are we looking for? We are looking for field goals and how many he missed. So the first one is M for missed. So we're going to put 2. So he misses 2. So 2M. okay, for misses. And then we have 11 field goals. And that is our total. So for every time he plays 11 or he kicks 11 field goals, he's going to miss 2, make our equal sign. And then it says if he misses 8, all right, misses 8, he misses 8, how many field goals did he attempt? Cross multiply. 11 times 8. And you guys know that trick. 11 times 8 is 88. And now we must divide by 2. 2 goes into 8 4 times. Bring down your 8. 2 goes into 8 4 times. He attempts, so x equals 44. So that means he attempts 44 kicks. All right. So number 3, Harvard University accepts 6 students for every 100 applicants. How many students will be accepted if 850 applicants apply? So we have, look at your papers, we have 6 students for every 100 applicants. If 850 applicants apply, how many students actually get in? So we need to cross multiply 8 and 6 to get 850 multiplied by 6. So 850 times 6. I'm just using my calculator to save some time. Would be 5,100 divided by 100. Do you guys know what that would be? That would give me 51. 51 applicants were accepted. Okay, so if 100 people try out to go to this college, which is called Harvard, only 6 out of those 100 people will actually get into Harvard. If 850 people apply to Harvard, only 51 of those people will be accepted. Okay, does that make sense? If not, raise your hand and I can come around and help you. Okay. So let's move on to the next problem. Sophie can type 128 words in 3 minutes. So we're going to write 128 over 3. So this is words, and this is minutes, is equal to, Sophie can type 128 words in 3 minutes. How many minutes will it take her to type 576 words? So we know she can type 576 words, but we don't know how many minutes that's going to take. So 576 multiplied by 3 is going to give me 1,728. Now I need to divide this number by 128. So 1,728 divided by 128 gives me 13.5. X is equal to 13.5 minutes. Okay, because X is an M for minutes. All right. Halfway there. Number 5. The United States Air Force has 19 women for every 81 men enlisted. If a squadron has 250 members, approximately how many are men? Okay, so the Air Force has 19 women for every 81 men. So what we need to do is we need to combine right away. This is a 2-step problem. 2-step problem. We need to combine men and women together. So, real quick, we're looking for what exactly? We are looking for members are 250 and there are 81 men enlisted. Okay. The United States Air Force has 19 women and 81 men enlisted. So real quick off to the side, I need to add 19 and 81, combine them together. 19 or 9 plus 1 is 10. 8, 9, 10. Eight, 9, 10. There we go. So we have to combine men and women together because the question says if 850 applicants apply for, we have to combine the men and women together because the question says if a squadron has 250 members, approximately how many are men? We need to combine the men and women together right away just to get a general number of 100. So we're going to stick that at the bottom as together because we're always looking for like the together part. And then we're going to stick 250 at the bottom because that's together, men and women together. But we are looking for men specifically. So sorry, ladies, we don't know. But we do know that there are 81 men for every 100 people. So we're going to put X on top. Okay? Again, these are rather large numbers. Not that we can't figure it out, but we have a calculator. So I'm going to multiply 250 times 81. Which gives me 20,250. And then I'm just going to divide that number by 100, which would give me about 202.5, which whenever you see the 5, we can round up to the nearest tenth, which is going to give me 203. So about 203 is our answer. Okay. Oops, you can't see it. Now you can. It's about 203. Three problems left. We're doing pretty good. Number 6. The library at school is organized by fiction and non-fiction books. There are 3 non-fiction books for every 7 fiction books. How many total books are there at the library? All right. So again, this is another combination, two-step combination type problem. We need to take our 3 and multiply it by, we have to take our 3 and add it to 7, which gives me the number 10. So I'm going to put 3 over 10 is equal to 250 over x. Okay. And if my camera dies, I will pick it right back up where we are going to leave off. 250 multiplied by 10 gives me 2,500. Now we need to divide that by 3. So 2,500, divide that number by 3. Oh, see, I made a mistake. It's 240. My bad. See, I'm trying to erase because my camera is about to die. So you have 240 times 10 gives me 2,400. Divide that number by 3 will give me 800 books. All right. I was talking and I didn't even realize my camera was not recording. So for the last 2 problems, to save some battery and to make it easy, I want you guys to solve the equations yourself. I'm going to go around the room and make sure that you guys have the correct answers. So I set up the proportion. Make sure you guys are reading the question. And then I want you to cross multiply and divide. Okay? Any questions, just raise your hand. Again, I'll be walking around to help assist you with the last 2 problems of the homework. All right.